How to change ChatGPT profile picture. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, you will need to create Gravatar account to change profile picture in your ChatGPT account. So open any of the browser, search for Gravatar, tap on this link Gravatar, open it. Now tap on this option create your Gravatar. Now you have to fill up this information. Firstly, you have to enter email address. Make sure you are using the email address that you have used before to create ChatGPT account. Type in username for your account. Likewise, generate password for your account. And after you are done, tap on create your account. Now you will receive mail from Gravatar, so close this and open up your Gmail. At the top you can see that Gravatar has sent the mail. You have to open that mail. Scroll down, tap on the option of confirm your mail. Now you can close this and open your old page. Now tap on sign in. And here you can see that I have logged into my Gravatar account. After you log into Gravatar account, scroll down. Over here you will find this option of choose file, tap on it. From here you can choose any of the option and select the picture. Tap on choose given at the bottom right corner. Now from here you can crop your photo if you want to, and then you can just tap on crop image given at the bottom. Scroll down, tap on set rating. And now you are good to go. This is how you change profile picture of your ChatGPT. It may take a while to load in your ChatGPT account, so you have to wait. And after waiting for some time, your ChatGPT account's profile picture will be set. This is how you change profile picture on your ChatGPT account. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.